Hi, today's video is regarding HP Deskjet 3752 wireless printer. So I'm going to unbox, set up and do a quick test. So let's unbox it. To set up this printer, the first we need to switch it on. So the power button is on the top. We have switched on the printer, and now the next step is wait for the printer to start, and then we will install the ink cartridges. So there's 65 color cartridge. And to install the cartridge we need to open the front counter. So that's the place we need to insert it. So black and color. So first I'm going to put a black one, so just place it like that, insert it in, hold the printer and press it inwards. Same way the color. And now we close the chamber. Now once we do it, we'll see on the screen. As we can see, the lights are flashing. This is for wireless and this is for paper. And here we can see after installation of the cartridge, we can see the ink level and the reading starts to come on the screen. Now we are going to do a test. The back side we have a tray to insert the pages, and that goes like this, and this tray is to take the pages out. We have to insert the page from here. So it has started to copy, so we'll see how it works. So we can see it has printed the test page 1. So it's easy printing, and there are many options. We can use this printer wirelessly, so just watch other videos so that you can know how to connect it with different Wi-Fi system and with the different devices. Thanks for watching.